What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a major review, you guys. This is major, all right? We have a paper towel dispenser. All right. Oh, a box within a box. All right, you guys. Of course, I did purchase this on Amazon. This one wasn't sent in from a company. I purchased this because I want to have something in the kitchen that will, dispense the paper towels when you have a sensor. I believe there are two types of paper towel dispensers with this brand. There's one that's a countertop and there's one that can be mounted. This is the one I believe you can mount. It's not heavy either, you guys. So just in case you think it's heavy, it's not. It's very light. Now we just got to get it out the box, which is not bad. Comes right on out the box. If you have been a long time subscriber to the channel, you know I do the install demonstrations and everything on the channel. So stay on the channel so you can see all the installation. All right, so we have the instructions. Okay, so they do have two different type of products. They do have the countertop and they have under cabinet. It says it could fit all of your favorite paper towels. All right, we're gonna take the beauty cover off. So that must be the sensor. Let's go ahead and get into it and then we'll finalize the review. All right, everyone, so I have two choices, all right? Or we have two choices, me and you. Now, we can put this underneath of the cabinet or we could put it on the wall. Now, right now, I'm gonna show y'all under the cabinet. I'm not sure yet if my wife wants this on the wall yet, but if I put it on the wall, it may have to go right here because this is where my sink is. My sink is right here. So when you wash your hands, you don't wanna reach all the way over here, in which this is the only area I could put it, because I have like a corner cabinet here and I don't have another cabinet here. If I had another cabinet here, that would be perfect, in which I don't know why they didn't put a cabinet there, but anyways, that's builder's decision. It says wall mounted. So if my wife decides to put this on the wall, I will have to use this template. All right. But right now we are going to use, it says right here, under cabinet mounted. So this is what we'll use under the cabinet. So right here it says front, and then right here is the rear. So what you have to do, you have to flip this upside down so you can actually read it upside down. So you want to put it where it best fits you. All right, you guys, so I am about to center this thing now. This may be a little confusing for y'all, a little bit of rocket science for y'all, but it's basic math, simple math. It's all about measuring. 22 3/4. So that will be 22.75, and then we're going to do 13.75. So right now we have to do some calculations. We have to do 22.75 because that's 3/4 minus 13.75 equals, all right, so now we have 9. All right, now what we have to do with this 9 is we have to divide the 9 so we can know how much dead space to give. So divide that by 2 equals 4.5. So what I need to do is measure out 4.5, make a mark, 4.5, make a mark. That will be centered. I'm sorry if that was confusing. I will try to slow it down, or I will try to come up with, a better way of explaining it, but that's what I did. All right, you guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and mark 4.5. That way we can get centered. 4.5 here. And then we have 4.5 for over here. So this side goes into the cabinet. So I gotta screw it on like this. All right, about to screw it on. The shape of this is like a small rectangle. You see how there's more space here? This small rectangle goes towards the wall as our instructions has it. So we are going to put it up, find our center mark. All right, you guys, so nothing came through. See these small screws? These are the screws you want to use. You see this lip right here? Y'all see that gap? Just to let y'all know, there's an L shape right here. So there's a ledge right here. This ledge on this L, it's a ledge right here. It has to fit on that ledge. So all you do is just place it on, you slide it in, and the same thing on the opposite side, you slide it in and it is up. And then it's gonna be 3 screws on this side. We are going to go ahead and power this thing. All right, you guys, so I did open up this latch right here. One thing you have to know is that it is very hard to open, okay? So when you pull, you have to hold it and like press in tight and pull down. Once you finish doing that the first time, it's easy the rest of the times. So now it comes down easy. Okay, so now we're gonna put the paper towels in. You could pick your poison, either Sam's Club or Costco, whatever one's your favorite. We're gonna go with Costco. Our favorite one is whatever's cheaper. All right, so for the bougie people out there that wanna get Bounty, do what you gotta do. They say use your favorite brand. All right, now what we have to do is take some of the paper towels out. Now, I don't know if this has to be upside down. Let me see. I think you have to put it in to where it comes out like this. Now, it just seems like you just put it in. Okay, fits in nice and easy.
It's too long.
What?
The paper.
I'm gonna push it up. The light went away. What in the world? Oh, wow. So that was a... Okay, so you have to be fast with this, I guess. So let's try it again. Oh, no. All right, let's see.
It doesn't sense it.
Oh, I took out too much. So let's see what happened. Try it again. Is there a setting on here?
Waste some paper towels.
You guys, we don't want to use that many paper towels. Well, I guess I don't know how much we want to use, right? But it don't seem as there is a setting on here. So it's giving us 1, 2, 3 of them. Or you can pick out which ones you want, like that, rip it, and that's it. Okay, so there you go. We're gonna do that again, even though I'm wasting paper towels right now. If I just want to use 2, I'll grab 2 and then wipe my hands. That will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.